Hey, I'm in a 2015 Kia Optima. Today I'm going to show you to open the hood. So we'll go from the driver's side here. You should see a release lever that will pull. It should have a little tension here. If not, you need to double check behind this plastic. See if there's like a loose cable or something. I'll go up to the front. Usually right around the middle, there'll be like a lever, but it's loose since I got that safety released. Take a look. So we'll pinch and left. There's where it hooked on. This is that component. Should be able to freely move this. If it's really tight, you might need some WD-40. Maybe you got some debris stuck in here somewhere. But make sure everything's secure. Nothing's bent or out of alignment, because that could cause you issues too. But that's it. I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.